to hold us down, but roots run deep in the rebel ground. Chanting justice to the night so long, till the weak stand tall and the proud stand strong. Fire of the righteous burning bright, guiding the people through the night. From Kingston streets to the mountain high, truth and justice will never die. Youth with a vision and a heart so bold, stories of freedom must be told. Chains may rattle but they can't bind the power of a liberated mind. Drums keep beating like a thunder call. Rise together or together fall. Voices rising like the ocean tide. No more running, no more hide. Hear the chant in the midnight air. Rebel spirits everywhere. From the ghetto to the open field, no true warrior ever yield. Fire of the righteous burning bright, guiding the people through the night. From Kingston streets to the mountain high, truth and justice will never die. Old men speak of the days gone past, but truth and courage always last. Young blood rising with burning eyes, watching freedom touch the skies. Thunder rolling through the valley low, seeds of justice start to grow. One by one the voices sing, till the world hear freedom ring. Babylon tremble when truth appear. Rebel hearts don't live in fear. Stand like mountains tall and wide, truth and justice by our side. Fire of the righteous burning bright, guiding the people through the night. From Kingston streets to the mountain high, truth and justice will never die. Songs of power in every street, heavy bass and reggae beat. Every rhythm like a drum of war, calling out forevermore. Children dancing in the sun, know the battle just begun. But hope is rising, strong and clear. Freedom time is drawing near. Let the flames of truth inspire, voices rising higher and higher. From the root, the message fly, justice living, never die. Hear the conga drum in the early dawn. Another day and the fight goes on. Voices rising through the haze, freedom fire begin to break. From the hillside to the city street, feel the rhythm in your heartbeat. Roots so strong they break the chain. Truth like sunshine after rain. righteousness will grow. Every chant and every cry lift the people to the sky. Hear the elders speak the truth. Light the fire in the youth. Carry forward what they say. Guide the people on the way. From the hills and the skanking beat echo loud in every street. Music like a rising tide. Watch the fear we hold inside. Mountains high and valleys low. Everywhere the message go. Freedom song for